this is a quick breakdown of the trade I took using everything that has been taught on the playlist. Before we proceed, I would like you all to take a pause the video, read the disclaimer, and let's get into it. Okay, first, right, what we are looking at is either USDT perpetual contract, and this is the one I will chart. First of all, I identify my environment. What is the price doing currently? As you all can see, the price is making lower lows, and the price coming up at this point while I was looking at it. Why? And clear down to, as you can see, lower low. A lower low is a series of lower highs and lower low, lower highs and lower lows. So I went on to the monthly time frame and I marked my horizontal level. This was November close and December open. These two price points is a key level. I explained this in the playlist in the video talking about support or resistance. I marked there, and that's my resistance. And December open and November close is a key level, right? And I look at my profile. I could see that on the weekly profile, the POC of this previous week profile is lining up with the monthly level. I say that okay, we have the monthly, the POC, price already respected in YA, and it was resistant, support, and resistant. And while price was making lower highs, and I thought to myself, it's the beginning of no week. If price is going to come to make a lower high, it should be around there. Just to see it clearly, you can see the previous week POC. A new week starts here, and price was coming up into the previous week POC and the monthly level, right? And what I also did was I took Fibonacci from the high to the low of the current low before the pullback or retracements into that key level. And I noticed it's also the 0.618 is lining up with monthly previous week POC. And also Sunday value area high and Saturday value area high and Saturday value area also lining up with the 618 monthly and previous week level, lining up with the monthly previous week POC and 0.618 level. Right, on the slide we can see we have a higher, which is liquidity. As price was coming up into that level, this high is going to be a reference liquidity where people that has been shorting from here are going to likely trade their stop loss, and this also look like relative equal highs. So with that in mind, it's right above, or is right above or in between the levels I'm looking at. Putting everything together, all of this combined give me a confluence of this zone. Like, give me a confluence of this zone. The liquidity, the monthly, the previous day value high, the previous week POC, all of them coming together in a zone which gives a good confluence. As price it's into get into my zone, it's my level of confluence. After taking this liquidity, which is the relative equal highs, and the lower time frame, price was coming up with higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher, failed to make a higher high, price change character, pull back, then break structure. On 1 minute, as you can see, high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, fail to make higher high, change of character, pullbacks, now break structure. I took a Fibonacci from this high that hits my confluence zone, and this low, and this is like with the 618 of the lower time frame, and structures are already confirmed to me that we're switching to downtrend on the lower time frame, why not take the trade? The structures are already confirmed that it has switched to downtrend. I pull a fee from this high to this low, right? And the 0.618 is lining up as already structure has already turned bearish, lining up with a higher time frame bearish structure. And I took my trade right here. And boom, I entered somewhere around the 1.06, as you can see. And with a proper size, and I put my stop loss and I wrote it down. Yeah, basically that's just a trade breakdown using everything that has been taught on the playlist. I hope you understand. I hope this is all making sense. I do not trade any of these levels alone. I look for confluence. I mark up all of my levels and I look for where all of my levels are lining up or almost lining up together to give me a confluence zone. Also identifying the higher time frame structure, waiting for the lower time frame to line up with the higher time frame trend in order for me to get into a trade. Using the appropriate size and managing my risks accordingly. Peace. Follow me on all social, on X, formerly known as Twitter, Big Bag Tweets, Crypto Big Bag.